Hello everyone and welcome back to ChessWiser's beginner series. In the previous video, I gave you an introduction to chess and a glimpse of the rules, chess pieces and board. Today in our second lesson, we will dive deeper into the geometry of the chessboard. The chessboard is made up of an 8x8 grid of squares, each of which has unique name based on its position. Half of the squares on the chessboard are light colored and they are called light squares, while the other half of the chessboard are dark colored and they are called dark squares. When setting up the board, make sure that your lower right square should always be the light colored square. The vertical columns on the chessboard are called files and are labeled with letters from A to H, starting from left to right. The horizontal rows on the chessboard are called ranks and are labeled with numbers from 1 to 8, starting from bottom to top. It's important to know the name of the squares on the chessboard so that you can communicate moves and positions clearly. This will become especially important as you progress in your chess studies. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like this reel and follow me on Instagram. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this in the future. Your support means a lot to me and I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.